Remove image background by using Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You don't need Photoshop. PowerPoint, Word, and Excel can do this. Open PowerPoint, Excel, or Word and insert an image. Click on the image to select it. Go to Picture Format tab and then go to Remove Background. PowerPoint will highlight areas to keep or remove. However, you can adjust it manually if needed. For instance, you can refine by clicking on Mark Areas to Keep, in which you can bring back parts you want, and Mark Areas to Remove to manually remove additional parts. For this case, we are going to keep the default changes. So we click on Keep Changes, and the background will be removed. So you can do the same in Word. Just click on the image, then go to Picture Format, then remove background, keep changes, and then the background will be removed. In Excel, the same procedure. Select an image by clicking it and click Remove Image, and then keep changes, then done. Enjoy, subscribe, and share for more tips. You can still drop your comments in case you have any question regarding this.